Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to access the dark web. In order to do that, all you have to do is go to Safari, and you know that dark web can't be accessed through any other media or Google. It is specifically downloaded using a special browser called Tor browser. So we will have to download this Tor browser, and this Tor browser is an kind of an onion oriented browser, and the reason it's called onion because of the onions have layers. So as this Tor browser has layers, so which hides your identity and defend you so no one can track you or there is no surveillance and censorship. So for that, all you have to do is make sure to download, either you're using a Mac OS or you're using a Windows or using a Linux. So probably the ethical hackers use it for Linux. So that's a good, what you call a system. If you're using a Linux, you can download it on Android, but Android is considerably unsafe compared to using the Tor browser. And we will also tell you what you think you have to do in order to be 100% protective while using the Tor browser. So your location and identity can't be thefted or be located at any cost. To do that, all you have to do is make sure to download it. Once it's downloaded, this is how it looks like. I have always been downloading and I have always kept the Tor browser. You can see it. This is how it looks, and this is the same face you will see on every, either you're using Windows or Android, but I'm currently using a Mac OS, so this is for my Mac OS. And make sure when you're on this one, do not make it your main browser, and do not make it full screen. So these are a few things you have to understand when using a Tor browser. So when you're done using opening the Tor browser, this is how it looks like. And in here, you have to make sure you have to do some settings that no one will tell you on the internet that you will be doing. So this is for your security, because you are going to access the market. Go to advanced security and follow this step. Go to the what you call the safer mode. The safer mode is a good option. We have a lot of mode. We can go to safest, but safest is you cannot see images in safest, so we have to at least see images. So we go for safer option. And the first thing you have to do, not full screen, go to the safer option, and when you're done with safer option, close the windows completely, and yes, it says close tabs, and again reopen it. When you again reopen it, click on this one. You can see you are on safer level, and make sure to clean it up. When you're done, click on this one, clean option, and the whole history will be removed, and you are on a clear screen. So now what you have to do is make sure to go to write down on the Tor browser, on the search engine, write down the dark web directory. So this is what I call the the main market, what you call the main market, or anything that you can across. People are looking out where what they have to search for, where should they go. So this is the ultimate thing. They shouldn't be worried about where they have to go for searching or what items, because I know all you guys are going just on Tor browser and boom, you want to search for, I know what you guys are searching for, but don't do that. Make sure to make it clean, because Tor browser, the dark web, is a clean site, because there are a lot of good companies out there like BBC, CNN. They publish their articles as well there, and there are a lot of reporters work there. And write down dark web directory when you're done with these steps and search for it. The Tor browser is a bit slower compared to the other browser, because it is always there to make sure that your location is not what it has to be. So you see a lot of links. Make sure to open the upper first link and go on that. Now you will see the dark web list, which is directory, and there is another one. There are multiples websites, so we will check out this one. So this is not the main directory. We have to search for the other one, and let me tell you, and this is the only way you can go for it, because you have to keep on searching for dark web directory, and eventually you will find the dark web directory in the end, because this is hiding somewhere in these directories, because these are the markets that are available. These are all of the markets that you can see. You can access them, and make sure when you're accessing any market, there's a word called onion. Make sure it's there, onion is written, because onion is very much important. and this is also telling the website that it's a directory, but actually it's not a directory. We go out, and this is, again, there are a lot of markets on these are actually directories, but I'm not talking about these directories. So you have there are multiple websites on directories. You can use any one of them, and you know what I mean, right? So this is again a good website. So this is what I'm talking about, the hidden wiki. So people talk about the hidden wiki. So this is it, the hidden wiki. This is the real Tor browser. And when you go there, there's a dream market. This market has been taken down. Facebook also has another part of dark web. There is the buy bitcoins blockchain. A lot of markets are available. On these markets, you can see the name, and these are legit markets, because these are the most common used. Even BBC has its dark web onion links. You can see from this website as well. You can use the dark web directory, and again, these are the links. So this is how I'm not directly going to open that, because this is against the YouTube policy. I have previously uploaded the video on how to access dark web, and that was taken down. So we have to respect the community, because what we are showing is safe for the younger audience and all the audience. And make sure to leave a comment below in a positive manner, and make sure to leave a like button there to support my channel. And I will catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.